fix error code 81 during installation or updates on Windows. If you are facing this problem when installing or updating apps, stay with me. I will show you the easiest way to fix it. And if you are new here, this is Rexicht. First, let me ask you, are your apps stuck and not installing or updating because of error code 81? If yes, this video is for you. I know how frustrating it is when no matter how many times you try, the app won't install. I wanted a simple fix, not a long, confusing guide. Now let me explain why this happens. This error usually appears when Microsoft Store files are damaged or your system cache is full. Sometimes the download files get corrupted, and Windows cannot complete the installation. That's why error code 81 keeps appearing. You may see many solutions online, but most are complicated. They ask you to run commands or change settings. When I faced this error, I fixed it with a very simple trick. Here is one easy solution you can try right now. Open Settings on your computer.